Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. मैं हूँ जियो, ये है श्रुति.
Hello, hello, hello.
How are you, Miss
You
Bhola?
were like waiting. पहले पहले शुरू बोला, फिर ती बोला. Like you were waiting कि अब ना.
I know because I
I'm
keep
very good. I'm very.
saying it and then I think, oh no, she doesn't like Shru. Okay, we'll just change it.
I'm okay. Shru,
Oh,
Shruti, Shrut, Shrutspa, Miss Bhola, everything works. I'm all.
I just
It's all
realized
good.
that your and my name ends in the same two letters, TI. So,
Yeah, yeah.
T,
You just
T.
realized that,
Yeah,
Jojo? I've known you how many years, and
I
you have
know.
just realized it.
Very dumb. Okay, so let's
चलो, ready? पहाड़ों में चले.
हाँ, पहाड़ों की बारी आ गई है. Highly requested. It's chapter 2, it says. We have not seen chapter 1. So forgive us if we don't get some references or something. But it's Void का नया गाना dropped on the 4th of April. है ना?
And Void we like.
We
हाँ,
love
yes.
Void. Yes. So
Yeah.
music, vocals, Exalt Yaul, written by Void, rap Void. Eh? Vocals by Exalt Yaul? That's weird. No, I'm sure
Why?
it's both of them. I'm sure Void
Huh.
is also vocals. But yes, okay, so he's rapped basically, and someone has joined him on the vocals, maybe on the hook. Chalo, let's do it. 1, 2, 3, play. Oh,
I want to travel.
so pretty.
रुचि सुगा तू कबे रोची सीधे पहाड़ से वही मेरो गोची छतगड़ मन मिलेंगे वो भी दगड़ी जो सीधे पहाड़ से बस खरीदा जो हिमालय में दिल रख के जाए सुबह की ठंडा रख की जाए और ये कोहरा सब रंग दिखाए पहाड़ी छोरा अतरंग है भाई खामोशियों में हंस के तो देख रास्ते अनेक मस्ते अवे गमों को जरा तो कस के तो फेंक हर एक मोड़ हमको याद छोटी छोटी खुशियों में यहाँ अलग स्वाद पहाड़ों ने मेरी कहानी लिखी अब मेरी बारी जो चीजें तुझे नहीं देखी इन गीतों की गहराई में तुझको दिखाऊंगा बादलों के ऊपर तैरना सिखाऊंगा तुम 100 मीटर के लिए ऑटो मांग रहे यहाँ पे छोटे बच्चे दो मैराथन भाग रहे पानी की भी हमें जब भी हुई दिक्कत जरा गधेरे में जाके हमने खुद ही पानी भैनी दाल मॉल रोड के 10 चक्कर ताकि ऑल सेंट्स की लड़कियाँ दिख जाती तल्लीता से मल्लीताल भागे वापस स्कूल का कोई टीचर देखा रहा एक दूसरे की कामयाबी अपनी जीत पहाड़ अपना घर हर पहाड़ी घर की ईद दादी चली माठो माठनो सीधे पहाड़ से सब लगी कक्की रुचि सुगा तू कबे रोची सीधे पहाड़ से वही मेरो गोची छतगड़ मन मिलेंगे वो भी दगड़ी जो सीधे पहाड़ से कस खरीदा जो रात की खामोशी संगीत है ठंड ज्यादा तो साथ में नीट है चढ़ाई में मिलोगे तो लीड है हर बंदा बचपन से एथलीट है बंदा पहाड़ का पन्नों को फाड़ता शब्दों की कब्र में अपने गमों को काटता 15 की उम्र में रैपिंग से किया इजहार मैंने सच्चा प्यार किया तो मैं दिल कैसे न हारता 90 की स्पीड बाइक थी चलाई बचपन था मारे कर दी पिटाई मेहनत कराई ईगो नहीं बढ़ाई सरदे मिटाई दिल से सबको प्यार ये लो बाल मिठाई लोगों का दिल तेरी गाड़ियों से बड़ा दिखता कोई भी यहाँ मुश्किलों में पड़ा लोग यहाँ तुम्हें गलत रास्ते नहीं बताते बल्कि जरूरत पड़े तो सीधे घर छोड़ के आते मेहनत सौ ना पाऊं ज़मीं पे मिल जा कहीं पे इन आँखों में क्यों नमी बे अपनी घर की छत पे बैठ के लिखा मैंने ये गाना हर पहाड़ी को तू बोल दे ऊंचाइयों में बजाना क्योंकि सीधे पहाड़ से कति रुचि सुवा तू कवे रोची सीधे पहाड़ से वही मेरो गोची छतगढ़ मन मिलेगे उबिदवीजू सीधे पहाड़ से कस खरीदाजू कति रुचि सुवा तू कवे रोची सीधे पहाड़ से वही मेरो गोची छतगढ़ मन मिलेगे उबिदवीजू सीधे पहाड़ से कस खरीदाजू
Nice shot.
Stunning.
पछिले गराटा कोपातीला बाँधेछ यो चेलीको सरासा तल्लीपट्टि गाडी आगे
Nice.
Wow.
Beautiful.
I think altitude change होते ही ना talent change हो जाता है like you know गाने का तरीका words का तरीका just the whole pace everything changes and I
Yeah.
love that fresh feel
Yeah.
the whole feel of पहाड़ is just जितना beautiful हर frame था इस video का उतना ही beautiful ये गाना था it was just amazing
Exactly.
very nice
It was, I think, do you remember that song we reacted to, Mahi from Rahi, the one that was shot in Kashmir?
oh yeah
So that song
Mhm.
took us to the mountains and just, we were just, oh, in that, like, I think in that video also I said that I'm a mountains person, mountains or beaches, it's a no-brainer. And when you get immersed into the mountains ka culture and sound and vibe and visuals and
Yeah.
everything so beautifully, it's a winner. It's a winner. Oh my God. So the video has done full justice to the pahars
Yes.
and the song.
100%
You know?
100%. Yeah. And the way the hook and the verse, they were so drastically different because it was
Yeah.
like rapping, like the whole rap thing, along with the whole traditional culture and the way they were
Oh.
mixing the two. It was
Folk.
stunning. Yeah,
Yeah.
the whole folk thing. Oh, it was so beautiful.
Yeah,
So beautiful.
because like, when it started, it had the folk music as well as the lyrics, you know, the language.
Yeah, yeah,
So
yeah.
it was all very local, and I was just like, I like this. It's so different for a hip hop track or a rap track.
Yeah.
And the verses were just hard, and even the beat, the changes with the music that flowed through the entire song from start to finish was so beautifully done.
Yeah.
It didn't feel like folk gana खत्म हुआ और rap शुरू हुआ और hip hop track है पर उसमें it just
Correct.
sounded like one
Seamless.
beautiful
Yeah.
creation from start to end. So nice.
And how much of their culture they have woven
Yes.
in, of what they grow up with. Why
Yes.
we are finding it different is because we haven't grown up in that, and which I absolutely loved. Like I love how they were like, यहाँ पे हर बच्चा बचपन से ही athlete है. You know how they
Yeah.
were putting that.
And he's
it was
poking also
amazing.
little. He's like, तुम लोग 100 मीटर के लिए रिक्शा लेते हो and यहाँ पे हम लोग
यहाँ
marathon.
पे सब लोग marathon. Loved that. Loved it.
Amazing.
Absolutely.
But that's the thing. Like these guys are doing like up and down, climbing, walking, this, that, the mountains, everything, hiking, trekking throughout their
it's
life.
amazing.
Their
Amazing.
stamina, their this thing, how do you say, strength in terms of metabolism and all of that is just so much higher. Plus, they're inhaling fresh mountain air every day of their lives, right?
हवा अलग है. हवा अलग है. वहाँ पे जो भी करो सब कुछ feel ही अलग आती है.
Yeah, and I loved all the successful names. He's like, यहाँ का कोई भी successful होता है तो we all feel the pride. He showed their faces as well. I recognize
Yeah.
Padma
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
I think a couple others. But yeah, that was so nice. The shout out, the whole like explanation of what the culture is and what the people of the mountains are about was beautiful.
And the colors. I couldn't get over the colors also because it's so true, right? The more you go into the interiors, the more the colors just like come out at you. कहीं भी चले जाओ. Like, you know, it's just beautiful. And पहाड़ों के रंग ही अलग होते हैं. कभी-कभी
हाँ.
मुझे ऐसा लगता है when we watch these videos ना, it's like the video is over, but हम वहीं कहीं पे छूट गए हैं. Like we have
Yeah.
just seen the video, we are still roaming around there only.
Yeah, but also because the picture he painted was so pretty, like, you know, on this road, and they were checking out the girls from this school, and then koi teacher dikha to bhag gaye, khuda hafiz, and all. It's like he's painting this really nice picture. You're like, oh, I wish I was also part of this world. Like I could also see all these things. So nice. I think this could be the tourism ad for the state. You know.
So easily. So easily.
They can
Yeah.
easily pick like one verse and a hook and make that like a 2-minute ad.
Now,
Because
if they go forward and release a सीधे पहाड़ से chapter 3 ना, अगर उन्होंने ऐसा किया, then we'll have to figure out कि what is this chapter 1, 2, 3 going on? Like, is it just like, you know, is it just by chance or is it by design? So वो figure out करना पड़ेगा.
yeah, I wonder how chapter 1 is different from this. Maybe we should check it out and see. Why not? But boy, we love him, and beautiful verses, beautiful song, so much pride and so much love. Just pride in general. Like I would sum it up as just a song of pride, and very beautifully shot. I must quickly check video kiska hai. Directed by
Yes.
Prasanna Bisht, DOP Jerry and Kevin. Oh, flute, Mr. PP Tiwari. So cute. So very nice. Props to everyone behind the video and the visuals. And let us know if we should check out chapter 1 also. I think everyone will just say yes. So we
Yeah.
might as well do.
Yeah. उसमें ना की क्या बात है?
I know. Check out Miss Bola's channel. It's linked below. Super duper podcasts are there. And we'll see you in the next one. Live long and prosper.